If by any chance your Wi-Fi in your router is not working, or you are with your laptop on the go and you want to share the internet from your PC or laptop to another device, let me show you how you can create a hotspot inside of Windows to share that. Now, to start with the tutorial, you want to right-click into the Start button and you want to open your settings. Inside of the settings menu on the left side, you want to click where you see Network and Internet. As you can see right here, you have the option of Mobile Hotspot. Share your internet connection. You want to enable it and you want to open it to change some of the settings that you have right here. Now, right here are going to be the network properties, the name, the password, and by convenience, a small QR code that is you want to use it to connect the mobile device to your PC. Now, you can share this over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and you have also a power saving option that when no devices are connected, automatically is going to turn off hotspot. You can turn this on or off. And right here you can edit and change the name of the network, your password, and how is the network band if you want to change it for 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Because if you have any older devices that doesn't accept 5 GHz, you can change it for the 2.4 GHz band. And that is it for this quick and fast tutorial, guys. And if you enjoy it and you find it useful, drop a like into the video, comment and subscribe. Why not? It's free and I do a lot of different tech tutorials, not only on PC, but on Android, iPhone, Mac, Linux, a lot of things. And reviews. So guys, thanks for watching and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.